Hello and welcome back to our channel where we help you learn and understand English. In today's video, we'll be discussing the topic of subjects and their types in English grammar. Firstly, let's define what a subject is. Subject. The subject is the person, thing, or idea that is doing or being something. It's what the sentence is all about. Now, let's move on to the types of subjects. Types of subjects. Simple subject. Compound subject. Complete subject. Implied subject. Nominal subject. Simple subject. The simple subject is the main noun or pronoun in a sentence that is performing the action. It is the focus of the sentence, and all other parts of the sentence relate to it. For example, in the sentence, the dog barked loudly. The simple subject is dog. Compound subject. A compound subject is made up of two or more nouns or pronouns that are performing the action in a sentence. For example, in the sentence John and Jane went to the store, the compound subject is John and Jane. Complete subject. The complete subject is the simple subject plus any modifiers or descriptive words that accompany it. For example, in the sentence the big, fluffy cat sat on the windowsill, the complete subject is the big, fluffy cat. Implied subject. An implied subject is not explicitly stated in a sentence, but it is still understood based on the context of the sentence. For example, in the sentence, eat your vegetables, the implied subject is you. Nominal subject. A nominal subject is a noun or pronoun that follows a linking verb and is renamed or described by the predicate. For example, in the sentence, the winner is Mary. The nominal subject is Mary. Understanding the different types of subjects is important for writing clear and concise sentences. By identifying the subject, you can ensure that your sentence is grammatically correct and effectively communicates your message. That's all for this video on subject and its types. I hope you found this information helpful in improving your English language skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.